Friends, welcome back to ET's Indian channel, and today we are making super easy and really versatile cilantro mint chutney because summer is here and this chutney goes well with a lot of different dishes. So cilantro is in my blender. I'm adding a garlic. We will also add in some ginger pieces. Ginger and garlic lend a nice flavor to our chutney. Next, I have some dried mint. If you have some fresh, beautiful, go with that. I don't. I have this big jar of dried mint that I'll use in certain dishes, so I'm adding that along with a teaspoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Along with this, you can also add 2 tablespoons of water so that everything blends nicely. Next, in order to season it, we will add in salt, teaspoon, and some pepper if you want a little bit of a heat. You can also add green chilies, but I like to serve this chutney to kids, so I don't really add green chilies. Next, we are just blending it. Crush it when you've got the consistency that you prefer. Your chutney is done. This is great along with roti, with paranthas on sandwiches, or to dip your snacks like samosas and tikkis. So go ahead, give this chutney a try this weekend and keep watching ET's Indian.